Thank you for watching my yoga pose breakdown. Today I'm going to teach you Crocodile Pose, and we are going to start on our bellies. The only contraindication for this pose is avoid this pose if you're pregnant. Other than that, there aren't any other contraindications. This is a great pose to reduce your stress and tension. It promotes sleep, it helps regulate blood pressure, and it reduces anxiety. So let's get started. We're gonna lie down on our bellies. And we're gonna take our arms and we're gonna cross our arms and we're gonna rest our forehead on our hands. We're gonna take our toes and touch our toes, allowing our feet to, our heels to relax outward. We are going to hold this pose for 6 to 10 breaths. On each exhalation, go ahead and allow your body to relax into the floor. To get up out of this pose, just come on up and come back. Go ahead and do child's pose with your knees together. Child's pose would be a great counter pose, which will allow your back to do a little bit of stretching the opposite direction. All right, I hope you like Crocodile Pose and you will add it into your practice. Please remember to leave me a comment below and let me know what you would like to see next for a yoga pose breakdown. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click that notification button.